Homie, you worse than Chop. Kidnapping, fool. That clown D. That OG fool from Ballers.
Dog, I told you, no more gang-banging retro vengeance bullshit. I'm trying to make some fucking paper.
You gonna make some paper, Lo. And ain't nobody out here gang-banging. It just look like that. You gotta know the difference, man.
Fuck, man, great. My aunt would be very happy, homie.
Damn,
she
bitch,
wants me dead anyway so she can get the
fucking
fucking house.
I told you to quit talking shit about your auntie Loco. That's my bitch. I'm just fucking with you. I'm just fucking with you. You driving.
Bitch, don't take nobody 4 hours to get their head hit. You fucking lying to me?
They ain't chipped in. Now this type of shit happens all the time.
Get in the van, Chop. Get in the van. Good dog.
When you're listening to the DOG, I got the cultivating music that be captivating him who listens to the words that I speak.
Go up Vinewood Boulevard.
Get to Mac into this bitch named Shades. She used to be the homeboy's lady. 80 degrees when I tell
Hey, I like your dog, homie. Me and Chop got a lot in common. Yo annoying ass.
Man, I'm carrying both of y'all asses, homie. Look what I set up.
Man, fuck this, man. You seen Tanisha?
She straight. It's me and you that ain't straight, though, homie.
Dog, I know, homie. But look, I met this contact, this white dude. Real serious dude, man. This motherfucker know the streets, homie. I know he'll be a good hookup for us.
We don't need no hookup, fool. I know these streets.
You know these streets. Man, all you know is dime bag hustling, credit card stealing, boosting gas tankers, homie. Come on, man. What you trying to be, some fucking commodity trader or something?
Fool, that shit went up, man.
Look, homie, I don't mind dying, you feel me? But I just want to die with something that matters, homie. That's what foreign gangsters should really be about.
And I know this much, the motherfucking OGs ain't even giving a fuck about us, though.
Man, fuck the OGs then. You know what I'm saying? This ain't no motherfucking pyramid scheme.
Wait, hold on. Listen to your boy one time. Listen to your boy. You want some paper, my nigga? This is what it's about. Check it out. I'm talking about 40,000. No problem. Cash in hand, 2 days time, no killing, nothing.
No, just starting another beef with the fucking Ballers, nigga. That's Class A felony bullshit.
We gonna keep our disguise on. Ain't nobody gotta know it was us.
Yeah, whatever, homie. We'll see about that.
He down this alley up here.
Y'all check out these commercials, man. We about to get this paper, y'all. Listen to this shit.
Hey, what's up, boo? Ain't you little Laida's cousin?
Yeah.
Go, get in the van.
You see what he driving? Man, we in a van, motherfucker. We fucked.
Just drive, fool.
Hold on, Chop.
You seen that bitch back there? She a dime. I'm all over that. And she probably the same. Like I said, they flop.
Flock your mind on this shit right here for a minute. You worse than Chop.
You ain't gonna last me.
Come on, homie. Concentrate on the road. Ain't no stopping us on this hill. Fuck it. I don't know what you contributed right now, fool. We might have to rethink this 60-40 split.
Me? You ain't doing shit. Chop is doing more to get this nigga than you. And he just drew it. Man, look at this shit, dawg. We chasing another motherfucker on a motorcycle. If we snatching this dude, we snatching his ass right. Remember the homies around the block?
Man, the homies is lame.
Yeah, so we not. Cops on their cell phone as soon as they made the ransom call. Triangulated the signal. Ghetto birds all over the place. Surveillance, my nigga.
He cut down there. Oh, shit. Damn. He got fucked up. Man, take Chop. Go get that fool.
Nigga, you just sitting your ass there with your feet kicked up. Come on, Chop. Come on. Go bite his ass. Get that motherfucker, Chop.
Get him.
You CGF, Chop. For real. Screw you. What a big badass baller gotta run for? Get that motherfucker! Over here! out your ass. At least I'm getting a workout. Oh, fuck. Come on, boy. Find that fool. Sneak him out, Chop Chop. Lead me to him. Get his ass, Chop. He ain't one of them boxcars. Give it up. Shit, this motherfucker empty. Hey, Chop, that smell like a baller? Where he at, Chop? Where he at? I got your ass. Come on, where you at? You a mean motherfucker, man. Let's go. Come on, Chop. Come on, boy. You got a whiff of him, Chop? Hey, Chop, what you smelling? That don't look like no Baller's OG to me. Hill. Man, that's a dude, Chop. Man, you'll fuck anything. Get out that thing, Chop, you filthy motherfucker. Not the time, Chop. We gotta go. Come on, you horny little motherfucker. You need boot camp or some shit. Go, boy. Where the OG at? Where is he, boy? Come on. Where is he? We in this together, Chop. Let's go. Come on. Smell that stinky motherfucker. Stop running, dog! Man, ain't shit in here. There you go. You in here? Why ain't Lamar searching this shit? Sniff him out. Put him up. You scared of dogs, nigga?
Oh, shit! Fuck you and your stupid dog!
Don't hump him. Bite his ass, Chop. Get his ass.
Fuck you, you son of a bitch! That bitch just fucking bit me, man!
Shut the fuck up.
Hey, man, get over here! Oh, shit! What the fuck, man? I ain't got no beef with the CGF!
Cause maybe we doing our own thing.
What the fuck, man?
Fucking fan, Paul.
Shit!
Hey, if you don't train Chop, he gonna be a lost cause like you, dog.
We gonna stash this dude in my spot.
We going back to your crib? I've been there when you was in diapers.
Shut up, man. You ain't recognize me.
I knew it was you before you took that flag off. You always been dumb, Lamar.
Really? Well, I guess that means we gonna have to shoot your ass when we pick up our 40 stack.
You ain't gonna pick up shit. Fans gonna be on you before you can even move, nigga.
Be quiet. I gotta make a call. We got your boy.
You calling them on a cell phone, you dumb motherfucker? They gonna trace this shit in a second.
We want 40,000. Pay me or pay the funeral director, motherfucker.
What the fuck you done? You just gave them our location. Now we gotta let this motherfucker out of here. Get the fuck out of here. And nigga, give me that damn phone.
What the fuck?
The OG's gonna hear about this.
Man, you better start walking, D.
This some bullshit. Take me down the cut.
I bring the fire to your soul.
smoking in your seat. It's not a fluke, it's been tried on the troops. Let's turn out the lights from the world class.
Man, what the fuck is wrong with you, nigga?
I was getting us paid. What the fuck is wrong with you, nigga? That was a good phone. All right, motherfucker.
You motherfucker.
Then I give you